Let's dive into the phrase, don't cry over spilled milk,
No use crying over spilt milk.
which means there's no use worrying about something that has already happened and cannot be changed. In mistakes at work, if you make a small mistake at work, don't dwell on it. Don't cry over spilled milk and focus on fixing it. Example, I missed the deadline, but there's no point crying over spilled milk now. In exams, if you score less in one test, don't cry over spilled milk. Learn from it and prepare better next time. Example, I didn't do well in the last exam, but I won't cry over spilled milk. In relationships, if a misunderstanding has already caused damage, don't cry over spilled milk. Work on mending things instead. Example, we argued, but crying over spilled milk won't help. Let's move forward. In daily life accidents, if you break something accidentally, don't cry over spilled milk, accept it and move on. Example, I dropped the glass, but there's no use crying over spilled milk. The phrase don't cry over spilled milk reminds us to let go of the past and focus on the present. Practice using it and keep moving forward with positivity.